Go.
Hello there, I'm back again. It's a Sunday and I have another easy recipe for you. It's called Paneer Amritsari. I have been making this dish for a long time. I have pre-soaked one lot so that you can see how it goes. But basically these are the ingredients. You can see chili powder, ajwain, salt, haldi powder, garlic paste and chili paste, and this is बेसन और ग्राम फ्लावर. आज आपको एक बहुत आसान चीज़ दिखाने जा रहे हैं. हम सालों से बना रहे हैं पनीर अमृतसरी और पार्टीज के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, इजी है क्योंकि तुरंत बनता है. 15 मिनट सोक करते हैं पनीर को. वी सोक द पनीर इन these spices and then just stir fry it on the pan. So this ये पहला लॉट है. ये पनीर सोक किया है हल्दी, मिर्चा, अजवाइन, नमक और लहसुन और अदरक में. ये छोटा लॉट है और सब मसालों को इसमें मिला देते हैं एंड 15 मिनट सोक करना है. तो ये 15 मिनट पहले सोक कर लिया है. वी सोक द पनीर fingers in salt, chili powder, ajwain, garlic paste and ginger paste. The ingredients are given in the and see the secret is to slice the paneer properly, otherwise it breaks. So it has to be even size and we'll switch on the gas, and the main thing is that you have to slice the paneer in even sizes, cubes, long cubes like fingers. And this is a great, I mean, for parties it's a great starter, but for everyday food, if you have nothing interesting going, all that you need to make is paneer amritsari with roti or paratha. And here we go. इसको सोक करते हैं अजवाइन, मिर्ची पाउडर, चिली पाउडर, हल्दी पाउडर, सॉल्ट, नमक और लहसुन पेस्ट और जिंजर पेस्ट. अगर कोई लहसुन नहीं खाते हैं then you can avoid the garlic if you are not very fond of using the garlic. But the thing is you have to cover it properly and see that it doesn't break. So this is the only difficult part. If the paneer is not fresh, it breaks. It should be firm. पनीर को ताज़ा होने चाहिए तो टूटता नहीं है. और अगर 1-2 दिन पहले ला कर रख दिए तो पानी में डाल के रख देते हैं फ्रिज में. So later on we'll whatever the leftover pieces which are not long and like fingers, we'll make a quick sabzi. You will see that it will be a sabzi in another 2 minutes. So we have soaked this paneer and this pan is on. So we just sear it. But first we have to roll it. Roll the paneer slices in besan. 5-6 चम्मच बेसन लेकर उसमें रोल कर देते हैं. तो ये एक बहुत क्विक कबाब है. इट्स अ वेरी इजी क्विक कबाब विच गोज वेरी गुड वेल एज अ स्टार्टर और एज एन अकम्पनीमेंट फॉर एन ऑर्डिनरी मील. अगर कुछ अच्छा नहीं है खाने में तो बस ये बना लिए. इस पराठे के साथ बहुत अच्छा लगता है. और जो छोटा पीसेस है जो टूट गया है उसकी सब्जी बना देंगे. We'll use the smaller pieces which are broken into a quick 2-minute sabzi. So we have to pan sear it. हल्के से सेकना है जिसमें कि लाल हो जाए, हल्का जले नहीं. We add some from this, not as well. So we are rolling it in a plate of besan. In the meantime, I'll switch on my kadahi so that you can see how quickly we can make a vegetable out of the leftover pieces of paneer. So these are the smaller pieces which are broken. So we'll use them for a sabzi. जो pieces टूट गया है पनीर का उसकी सब्जी बना देंगे. 5 मिनट भी नहीं लगता है. और जो लंबा लंबा है उसे कबाब के लिए यूज करते हैं. और इसमें नान का घी तेल लगता है. Ghee is better. It tastes much better with ghee because the aroma is much better. You have to turn it carefully. Unbelievable quick recipe it is, and it tastes so good. In the meantime, my kadahi is on. And we put a little oil, and see, I have not prepared the vegetables, but while the kadahi is being heated, I'll chop the vegetable. Whatever is left over from the salad pieces that I am using, I'll use it for the vegetable. जो थोड़ा सा प्याज, लाल मिर्च, लाल शिमला मिर्च, हरा शिमला मिर्च और एक टमाटर, बस यही चाहिए. और जो बचा हुआ पनीर है उसकी सब्जी बन जाएगी. जो the broken pieces we'll use it for the vegetable. And we need one little green chili. Still not hot, and my vegetables are already cut. So that's my speed of cooking and chopping. So we need some tomato as well. The kadahi needs to be really hot, and then the cooking time takes very little. So if we just wait for the kadahi to get so this is browned evenly on all sides. You can drizzle a little bit of ghee, just a few drops, and so in Bihar, paneer was not very popular, but over the years people have started liking it because it's a great substitute for people who don't eat non-veg. Such a lots of protein. This is done, and we'll do the sabzi now. So when the oil is heated, we just put the chopped onions, and then goes द कैप्सिकम। पहले प्याज डाला, फिर लाल और हरी शिमला मिर्च। And we are going to arrange the paneer. And garnish it with a little bit of tomato and cucumber and a slice of onion. And that's your paneer amritsari. Enjoy. And then we have the paneer sabzi from the leftover paneer pieces. थोड़ा सा नमक डालेंगे क्योंकि जो प्याज और शिमला मिर्च में नमक नहीं है, पनीर में तो है। We add a little bit of salt because the onion and capsicum has been added, and this really takes a minute, and your paneer capsicum is ready. 1 मिनट में बनती है ये सब्जी, पनीर और शिमला मिर्च की सब्जी। This is the paneer capsicum, which is made from the leftover paneer pieces, and there is your paneer amritsari. Enjoy.